Welcome back to Camera Lab, where I explore the best cameras and gear to help you capture stunning shots and elevate your photography skills. Today, we are checking out the top 11 best DSLR cameras for professionals that offer exceptional image quality, performance, and reliability. Whether you're into portrait, landscape, or action photography, these DSLRs deliver sharp images, fast autofocus, and versatile features. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Canon 5D Mark IV DSLR. The Canon 5D Mark IV DSLR is a powerhouse for professional photographers seeking ultimate image quality and versatility. I love its 30.4 megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers crisp, detailed photos with stunning dynamic range. Its Digic 6 Plus processor ensures fast performance and accurate color reproduction, whether shooting portraits, landscapes, or action. The dual-pixel autofocus system offers smooth and precise focusing, especially useful for video work. The camera is robust and weather-sealed, making it reliable in various shooting conditions. 4K video recording adds extra creative options. Battery life is solid, and it supports a wide range of lenses. Overall, the Canon 5D Mark IV DSLR combines performance, durability, and professional-level features in one package. Nikon D3300 DSLR Kit. The Nikon D3300 DSLR kit is an excellent entry-level option for aspiring photographers looking for professional quality results without breaking the bank. I really appreciate its 24.2 megapixel sensor, which produces sharp images with vibrant colors. The XP4 image processor ensures smooth performance and responsive shooting. The kit comes with a versatile 18 to 55 millimeter lens, ideal for portraits and everyday photography. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry on trips and outdoor shoots. The camera includes intuitive controls and guide mode, helping beginners learn DSLR functions quickly. Battery life is solid, giving hours of shooting on a single charge. Overall, the Nikon D3300 DSLR kit is a dependable choice for beginners and hobbyists aiming to capture stunning photos. Nikon D7500 DSLR Body. The Nikon D7500 DSLR body is perfect for enthusiasts looking for a high-performance camera that balances speed and image quality. I love its 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering sharp images with excellent low-light performance. The XP4 processor ensures fast autofocus and responsive shooting, ideal for action and sports photography. It supports 4K video recording, giving you versatile creative options. The tilting touchscreen is convenient for composing shots at various angles. Weather sealing adds durability for outdoor shooting. The camera offers multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing. Overall, the Nikon D7500 DSLR body is a powerful and flexible tool for serious photographers looking to upgrade their kit. Canon EOS 90D DSLR body. The Canon EOS 90D DSLR body is an impressive APS-C camera that combines high resolution with fast performance. I love its 32.5 megapixel sensor, which delivers sharp images and exceptional detail. Its Digi 8 processor enables fast shooting at up to 10 frames per second, perfect for sports and wildlife photography. The dual-pixel autofocus system provides smooth and accurate focus in both photo and video modes. It supports 4K video recording without crop, enhancing creative possibilities. The vari-angle touchscreen makes composing shots easier from tricky angles. Battery life is solid for long shooting sessions. Overall, the Canon EOS 90D DSLR body is a professional-grade APS-C camera for advanced enthusiasts. Canon Rebel T7 DSLR Kit. The Canon Rebel T7 DSLR kit is a reliable choice for beginners who want professional quality photos without a steep learning curve. I like its 24.1 megapixel sensor, which delivers crisp images with vibrant colors. The Digic 4 Plus processor ensures smooth performance, even in continuous shooting. This kit includes an 18 to 55 millimeter lens, ideal for everyday photography and learning DSLR basics. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for travel and casual photography. The camera includes user-friendly modes and guides to help newcomers quickly master settings. Battery life is decent for long shooting sessions. Overall, the Canon Rebel T7 DSLR kit is an excellent starter DSLR that balances ease of use and quality.
Nikon D850 DSLR Bundle. The Nikon D850 DSLR Bundle is a professional-grade full-frame camera designed for photographers who demand the best. I love its massive 45.7 megapixel sensor, producing ultra-detailed images with incredible dynamic range. The XP5 processor ensures fast autofocus and responsive shooting, ideal for both action and studio photography. 4K UHD video support adds professional-level video capabilities. Its robust weather-sealed body allows shooting in challenging environments. The tilting screen LCD is convenient for composing creative angles. The bundle often includes lenses and accessories, giving you everything to get started. Overall, the Nikon D850 DSLR bundle is a powerhouse camera for professional photographers who want unmatched image quality and versatility.
Nikon D3100 DSLR Kit. The Nikon D3100 DSLR kit is a solid entry-level camera for beginners and hobbyists. I like its 14.2 megapixel sensor, which delivers clear, vibrant images for everyday photography. The XP2 processor ensures responsive performance and smooth operation. The kit includes an 18 to 55mm lens, perfect for general photography, from portraits to landscapes. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry for travel and outdoor shoots. The camera features an intuitive guide mode that helps new users understand DSLR controls. Battery life is sufficient for extended use. Overall, the Nikon D3100 DSLR kit is a dependable, affordable option for beginners seeking to learn and grow in photography. Nikon D7200 DSLR kit. The Nikon D7200 DSLR kit is a versatile option that balances performance and portability. I appreciate its 24.2 megapixel DX format sensor, which captures detailed images with vibrant colors even in low light conditions. The 51-point autofocus system is fast and accurate, great for sports, wildlife, or action photography. Continuous shooting reaches 6 FPS, allowing for dynamic shots with ease. The camera body is weather-sealed, making it durable for outdoor photography. Wi-Fi and GPS connectivity add convenience for sharing and tracking your shots. If you're looking for a reliable DSLR with solid image quality, advanced features, and durable construction, the Nikon D7200 kit is a strong option for serious photographers.
Canon 5D Mark III DSLR. The Canon 5D Mark III DSLR is a professional full-frame camera known for its reliability and image quality. I love its 22.3 megapixel sensor, delivering sharp images with accurate color reproduction. The Digic 5 Plus processor ensures fast shooting and responsive performance. Its 61-point autofocus system is precise, making it perfect for portraits, action, and low-light photography. The camera supports full HD video recording, offering creative possibilities for hybrid shooters. Its sturdy, weather-sealed body withstands tough conditions. Battery life is reliable for extended shoots. Overall, the Canon 5D Mark III DSLR is a dependable and powerful tool for professional photographers who want consistent results and versatility in the field. Nikon D610 DSLR Body. The Nikon D610 DSLR body is an excellent full-frame camera for professionals and serious enthusiasts. I really like its 24.3 megapixel sensor, which produces stunning image quality with excellent detail and dynamic range. The XP3 processor enables smooth performance and fast autofocus. It supports full HD video recording, giving you additional creative options. Its robust weather-sealed design allows shooting in challenging conditions without worry. The camera features multiple connectivity options for convenience. Battery life is solid for extended photography sessions. Overall, the Nikon D610 DSLR body is a reliable and versatile full-frame DSLR, perfect for photographers who demand high-quality performance in a sturdy and professional package. Canon Rebel T8i DSLR Kit. The Canon Rebel T8i DSLR kit is an ideal choice for enthusiasts stepping up their photography game. I love its 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, which captures sharp, vibrant images in various conditions. The 45-point all-cross type autofocus system provides accurate focusing for action and portrait photography. Continuous shooting reaches up to 7 frames per second, making it easier to capture fast-moving subjects. It also supports 4K video recording, giving versatility for multimedia projects. The kit lens adds flexibility, and the lightweight body makes it easy to carry. If you want a reliable DSLR that combines advanced features, ease of use, and excellent image quality, the Canon Rebel T8i kit is a fantastic professional-friendly option.
That wraps up my top 11 best DSLR cameras for professionals.
each offering incredible image quality, reliable performance, and features that make capturing stunning photos a joy. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, action, or video, there's a DSLR here that fits your needs and skill level. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect camera to elevate your photography. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews from Camera Lab.